Okay, I'm gonna do a. We're working on this knife here. We're gonna do a quench. Tried oil. This time we're gonna try water. Might snap, might work. That is rare knot. Go check it. Didn't get it hard before. Shut this down here. It's gonna be hard to do, but let's see what we can do. Try and set up this stupid camera here for 2 seconds. Let's see what we can do. Now it works. Yep. I can't see that. Come on, you stupid camera. Stupid camera or stupid camera guy? There we go. So you can see here, just gliding. It's hard. Not biting at all. You see that? It's all hand forged. It's pretty straight. Sorry about the camera there. I'm not a real camera guy. I do what I can. I will put this in the oven here. Somebody said 400. That's what we do. 400. I'll show you something else I'm working on. This knife here. Big handle, big handle. That's maybe somebody. I got big enough hands, I guess. It's not a real long blade, but let's see what it is. Tape measure here. Just a little short blade, 3 1/4 inches. Big glare on there, but trust me, it's 3 1/4. Handle is 5 1/2 almost overall. It's 8 about 8 3/4, 8 1/2. This was a failed attempt. It was a nice looking knife, but couldn't get the steel to harden the way I wanted it. Well, you win some, you lose some. There's another little one here. I quenched this one in oil, but I'm wondering if I should have did maybe water too. Anyways. That's about it. It's a mess in here. Junk everywhere. Well, not junk to me, but we got a nice collection of all kinds of antlers here we use for handles. There's one right fell down there. We got all of those. We got some sheds over here. And we've got quite a few deers over the years. There's lots under here. And more in the house and more. This one was, this is one that was killed by the wolves, left on the lake. This is a nice deer. It would have been, I guess. I'm going to put that on the wall, like a wall hanger. I got a couple more somewhere. I'm not sure right now. Anyways, that's it for now. Get back to you on the next one. Here's another little leaf, kind of a leaf cold chain, keychain. Got this idea from Alec Steele. Go check him out. He's got a lot of good videos on blacksmithing. This is the first one I made, so it's the second one. Come on, focus. Like everybody else on YouTube. Focus, focus. Focus on the floor, but I won't focus on here. Put it on here. Pretty good. There's that old deer hide tried to smoke there. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll make a better door than the window, eh? Oh no. Might be okay, might not be. Okay.